This is the last section of Learning Target 11. I hope you learned a lot about how to convert from degrees to radians and find coterminal and a reference angle in this learning target. Now, I don't really know why we have an extra section of this. It's just what we did it on the last section, except it's multiple choice. Right? I'm like, I don't get it. The other one, it was the same thing except without the multiple choice. So I don't know, maybe it will be easier. So select the correct reference angle for each of the angles given. So I'll do the right side for front and the back, page 10. And that's it. Actually, never mind. So reference angle, pi over 4. Remember, the way I like to do it is to convert to degrees first. So always replace 180 with a pi. So instead of pi, you can put 180 to replace it. So 180 divided by 4 is 45 degrees. Now, 45 degrees, if you were to graph it, it is 0, 90, 45 is right there in the middle. This is in the first quadrant. It's already a reference angle. Why? Because the terminal side and x-axis make an acute angle. So this is already the answer. So you really don't have to do anything. Done. All right, let's do F. 5 pi over 3. So 5 pi over 3. 5 pi is 180 over 3. So let's see what that angle is. 5 times 180 over 3. That is 300. 300. Okay, so here we have 0, 90, 180, 270. Where is 300? Well, if you start from the 0, go all the way around, past 180, past 270, 300 would be right there somewhere, right? The purple, is 300 degrees. So what is the reference angle? We are making an angle with the terminal side and the x-axis. Terminal side and the x-axis, but make an acute angle. So right there is the reference angle. What is it? 300? So then we're missing 60 to make the whole circle? Yeah, it's a 60 degrees. Reference angle is 60 degrees. So the last thing you have to do is 60 degrees, turn it into a radian measure. Degree at the bottom, 180, pi, put it in the calculator. So you just have to do 60 divided by 180. That is then changed to a fraction. 1/3 pi, just 1/3 pi. There, A. Done. G, oof, negative. We cannot, I don't know how to draw the negative. So how do we do it? We need to go around the circle. So we are going to add 360. Negative 585 plus 360. That is, you don't see it, still negative. Okay, we gotta add another circle to it. Go round and round until we get the coterminal angle, 135. I can graph 135. 0, 90, 180. So I got 135. So that would be start at the 0, past 90, but 135, okay, I cannot go beyond, I cannot pass 180. 135 has to be between, so 135. So what is the reference angle? Terminal side and the x-axis. Terminal side and the x-axis. How big is this? Well, the whole thing is 180. We got 135 on that side, so this should be 45 degrees. Done. 45 degrees, degree at the bottom, 180, pi. Oh, terrible writing. I'm sorry about that. So 45 divided by 180. Math, frac. 1/4. So pi over 4. Last one. 225. Hey, we can do 225. 0, 90, 180, 270. So start with a 0, past 90, past 180, 225. Oh, I cannot pass 270. It's got to be somewhere right there, right? 225. So reference angle would be terminal side and the x-axis. Terminal and the x-axis. So this is the reference angle. And that would be, I don't know, like the whole thing was 225. We're going back a little bit. So we're subtracting 180. 225 minus 180. I got 45 degrees. So reference angle is 45 degrees. Wait, we just had 45 up here. So it'll still be same as that. So pi over 4. There you have it. Like I said, I feel like this is a bonus round. We do have multiple choice question on the skills check that looks just like this. But, I mean, you have to do less work. You don't have to draw the picture to figure. Well, you do have to draw the picture. I don't know. I don't know why multiple choice is like an added bonus here. But there you have it. All learning target 11 is done. So please, good luck on your skills check. Do your reviews. Do the decimals. Do Canvas review. And we'll see you for learning target 12. Bye-bye.